Welcome back, guys, and today I want to show you my take on spicy honey garlic wings. We're going to start with the sauce. Now, to get our sauce started, we have our saucepan on medium heat, and into that pan goes a teaspoon of butter and a teaspoon of olive oil. Then we're going to put in our garlic. Into our butter and olive oil goes 2 large cloves of garlic, minced well. And we're going to cook that down until it is fragrant and just beginning to brown. And we've got to keep that moving in our pan because we do not want to, remember, it's so easy to burn garlic. You don't want to burn that garlic. So you got to keep it moving and watch that heat tip. Okay, it's just beginning to turn golden. Now, into our garlic goes some red chili flake. And I put it in my mortar and pestle to help bring out the essential oils in that, and that goes into our saucepan. Next goes in 1 full teaspoon of onion powder. Into our garlic mixture goes 1 stick of salted butter. All right, in goes 1½ cups of sweet clover honey. Bring to a gentle simmer and let simmer for about 5 minutes. And salt to taste. Now our sauce is done, so let's get on to frying those wings. We're going to start frying those wings, and they are the go. 12 minutes into the bowl. And this is our spicy honey garlic sauce. Gonna do about 1/3 cup on that. Toss to coat. And done. Hey guys, as you can see, we're continuing. We're going to get all of these done, but I just got to have a little taste of this while we're waiting on those to get done. Spicy honey garlic wings. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's good. You guys got to try this. When you do, leave me a comment on that, guys, okay? And if you change up your recipe a little bit, tell me about that too, all right? And make sure you're subscribed, guys, so that you can see spicy honey garlic wings and all the other videos we're uploading for you each and every week. And we'll see you next time on Things to Your Desk. I'm going to finish this off and then get the rest of these done.